Hello everybody and welcome to KEE'S, Guys, we are back again with another cooking video. And today we're making sloppy joes, biscuits with mashed potatoes. Did that take you back to your childhood? Because I remember when I was in school, I used to love sloppy joe day. I used to love it because that was a meal that my mother didn't really cook a whole lot. So today you're going to need your potatoes. We've diced a small onion. We have minced garlic, a can of biscuits, sloppy joe, black pepper, and garlic powder. Those are all the seasonings you would need. And then, of course, with your mashed potatoes, you're going to need your butter and your milk. So we're going to take you over to the stove, and we're going to put these potatoes in my boiling water, and then we're going to get this sloppy joe. We're getting ready to get this together because I'm ready to eat. You ready to eat, Key? Mm-hmm. We ready to eat. So to this water, I'm adding salt. And now I'm getting ready to add my potatoes. This is actually about, I would say, about 6 small potatoes. It's really not big, probably 6 to 8 potatoes. This is enough to make mashed potatoes for a family of 4. So we got our potatoes in the pot. We're going to allow these to boil until they're tender. And now we're getting ready to put our sloppy joe together. We're turning on our pan. And we're getting ready to add our ground beef. And I probably won't need all of the ground beef. But I gotta make something with the ground beef. I know what Key wants, so I'm gonna go on and make that. So we got our ground beef. Yes, I am breaking this ground beef up with my hand. My family. And to this ground beef, we're adding in garlic powder.
Garlic powder.
And we're going to add, we're adding in our black pepper.
You got it.
Childproof black pepper. Our onions. And now we're getting ready to add in some minced garlic. And so we're going to let this ground beef brown. We got our potatoes boiling. So once this meat is brown, I will bring you guys back. So guys, as you can see, my ground beef, it has browned. We're going to drain all of this oil off of here. Another thing too, normally I would put in my bell peppers, but I don't have any bell peppers. And remember, we're not going to the store for bell peppers. If we go to the store, we're going because we need to do a grocery haul. So we're going to drain this oil off of this meat, and then I'll bring you guys back when I add the sauce. Okay guys, so we are back, and our ground beef is browned. We're pouring in our sloppy joe.
Browned and drained.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah.
Thank you for correcting me, Key.
No, I'm not correcting you. Just adding that.
So we have 2 cans actually. So we're gonna pour the 2 cans in here. And remember, if you run short of your sloppy joe sauce, you can always add in barbecue sauce. See? We're going to turn the stove on. And we're going to mix this in. Y'all, Key got a problem. What were you just doing?
I'm going to do it in the video. Because again, y'all, I have to mukbang this for you guys.
She's doing it for you guys.
For you. Not me.
So
for you.
We got you got a little problem. You gotta be laughing. So we're gonna put the top on here and let this simmer for like 2 minutes. So we're getting ready to go over here to the potatoes. I've already drained the water from the potatoes. I need a potato masher, so I'm gonna mash these potatoes up with my I'm actually gonna do it with my rubber spatula, so I'm gonna bring you guys back once I mash these potatoes up. Okay guys, so we are back. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm opening a can of biscuits. And I put butter in this pan. And we have our, oops, gotta make these biscuits fit. And it worked for me. So we're gonna put this in the oven for about 15 minutes. Our lumpy mashed potatoes. These mashed potatoes, guys, are lumpy, but we got our mashed potatoes and we got our sloppy joe. So I'll bring you guys back once I finish cooking these biscuits. So guys, I forgot to tell you, I whipped my mashed potatoes up and I added cheese. So I'm gonna put this in the oven for probably about 7 minutes at the most, just to let this cheese melt with the mashed potatoes. So our biscuits are ready. So the biscuits are ready. Our sloppy joe is ready. So the only thing we got to do now is wait on this cheese to melt for these mashed potatoes. And I'll bring you guys back once I plate this meal. So guys, we're going to put our biscuits on here. And we're going to use 2 biscuits because I know they love to eat their biscuits. And so we've melted the cheese. So we're going to get this cheese. Oh, that looks so good. I'm going to get some more because I know that that's not going to be enough. Is that enough? Mm-hmm. And the cheese actually has a pull. So if you're on a diet, this is so not the meal for you. So now we're getting ready to add in our sloppy joe. And you put the sloppy joe over just like you would if you were putting gravy. On your mashed potatoes. And when I tell you, your family is going to love this. This is a very inexpensive meal, quick, fattening. But it's a good meal. And I want you guys to tell me what you think. This is not the meal that you invite somebody over to dinner. This is a meal that you would fix just for your family. I should have made some string beans. But that's okay. Maybe next time. Guys, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you see this video, please give me a thumbs up. Share this video out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to check out our family channel. And last but not least, don't forget to check out cinnamon cooking videos. No, I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day. And I'll see you later. Bye.